Also right now on 12 News at 5, a man accused of killing a Chandler woman almost 3 years ago is trying to plead insanity. Amy Leagans was 49 years old when she was killed. Investigators arrested her roommate for the heinous crime. Our cameras were there today when the suspect, Timothy Sullivan, and his attorney faced the judge, who will ultimately decide whether or not to allow the defense. The I-Team's Erica Stapleton breaks down the details, and we do want to warn you, the details in this case are disturbing.
It's been 3 years.
Her picture is on my desk.
Lori Porth forever grieving the brutal death of her sister, Amy Leagans.
I look at her picture every single day, and I miss that vibrant person.
Landscapers first found a piece of Amy's body in November 2020, after she disappeared at the end of October. Her roommate, Timothy Sullivan, was arrested and charged with her murder and hiding her body around the valley.
Good morning, Your Honor. Timothy J. Sullivan.
But now, Sullivan's attorney is asking to use a new defense, guilty except insane. An expert report presented by the defense claims Sullivan's been living with a traumatic brain injury for years and didn't know what he was doing when he killed Amy.
He does have organic brain damage to his frontal lobes.
But prosecutors disagree, saying this injury never came up before in Sullivan's extensive criminal history and other prior convictions, including aggravated assault for beating up a different roommate. Plus, they said he'd been drinking at the time of the crime.
The fact that there are substances on board is something that makes it very difficult, if not impossible, for him to successfully raise an insanity defense.
In July 2020, before she was killed, Amy Leagans called for help after saying Sullivan tried to beat her up. At the time, Sullivan was on probation for aggravated assault and already racked up numerous probation violations. Chandler police closed the case, and a few months later, Amy Leagans was murdered.
All right.
The expert report details that guilty except insane could apply to the murder charge, but not necessarily the concealing a dead body charge. The judge says he'll make a decision whether to allow the defense later this week or next. The trial pushed again to January of next year. The delays daunting for Amy's family.
It's very difficult. I just hope for a resolution.
In Phoenix, Erica Stapleton, 12 News.